Hello, today we're gonna climb Mount Agung.
Hello.
Tallest mountain in Bali. And we're quite worried because when we woke up this morning, the weather's not that great. Oh, it's raining now.
It's rained a couple times.
Yeah. The sky's pretty cloudy and dark, so that's our biggest worry, and we've texted our tour guide to see if it's too dangerous to hike up, and he still hasn't replied back yet. So fingers crossed. Whoa! But it's currently, what's the time now?
It is 12:23.
12:23, which means we have to be in bed by 3 o'clock because we're getting picked up at 9:30 tonight to start. Yeah, we don't have any sleeping pills or anything, so we're a bit worried about that.
No sleep tonight.
Yeah. So hopefully that will clear up and we shall hike. Whoa. See you then. Safe to say that we did not get any sleep. We went to bed around 3 o'clock, had about an hour nap, and just couldn't go back to bed. So it's around 8:45 here. Our driver will be here at 9:45. So we've decided we're just gonna get up and start getting ready. Woo! One chopper, 100 shots, bang, alright, you right, bang, one chopper, 100 shots, bang. It's currently 9:31 and we're waiting for our driver. He said he'll be about 10 minutes late. That is so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Hello, we're on our way to Besakih temple.
Hello.
To start of our hike. Hello. It's our driver, Nicole. Hello. Yep, no more traffic. We're a bit tired. It's 10:30. Yee.
We made it to the first post. Putri's dying. How you doing?
Hi. Holy fuck. We're at our first stop. Eating a banana. We had some coffee before and my heart almost fainted. It was so bad. How you feeling?
I'm struggling.
Me too. This is not for the faint-hearted.
And the first bit's the easy bit.
Can you not remind me? Oh my god. Oh yeah. It's absolute pitch black. You can't even see shit, dude. Can't even take a good photo. Banana, pisang. Oh my god, I'm sweating.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh! Oh, there's a moth. There's a moth, honey. Oh. Whoa, 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 it's on my face. It's on my face. We're on another stop.
That one was brutal.
That walk after POS 1 was... I don't even have the words.
You look shattered.
I'm flustered.
There's
Still
bits where
pitch
you
black.
have to get on your hands like we're climbing.
I know. Sunrise is at 6:15. We're not even halfway. God help us all.
So dramatic.
dramatic. It's gruesome out here.
It is. Yeah.
Oh my god. Hi guys. I don't know where we are.
Found a little campfire.
Yep. Hello.
Made some
Making
friends.
some coffee. Making some friends. Hello. I'm not sweating anymore. Must I say this is the best part of the hike?
The breaks.
The break. Well, we're in pause 3. We forgot to film 2.
I think that's the last one. I don't know.
You can't see the. Oh wait, you can see. Wait, look at it on the camera.
Yeah, that's what I was just like. I wondered what it would actually look like on camera.
That is so cool.
We're above the clouds.
We're almost above the clouds. I feel like. We decided to take a break because it's fucking hectic. Go to sleep.
It never ends.
No, there's no flat areas. It just keeps going up. I don't know if you can tell, but it was a rock scrambling for about like half an hour.
Yeah, sorry for no
I don't know if you can tell those people with the flashlight. Oh yeah, that's where we came from. Oh, we still got so much to go. Oh, you can't, it's pitch black still. Not good. I am not okay. I think I'm gonna cry. Can you bury me here?
I don't have the energy.
We made it.
We made it.
We made it. Ben! Look.
We made it.
Oh, that sunrise. Beautiful. I think the last hour was a bit of a scramble.
It's hell, but it's worth it. Look at this view.
Unfortunately, we only made it to the first summit. And if you can tell behind all those people, there's a second summit, but there's a gazillion people on there, and we just couldn't take it anymore, and we were going to miss the sunrise, so we thought we'd stay. Rate it from 1 to 10, 10 being the hardest.
It's
The scale
hardest
broke.
thing I've ever done in my life.
The scale broke.
I cried.
And it's really cold, so make sure you bring gloves, beanie, and heaps of layers. It's hot the whole way up when you're hiking up, but once you get to the top, it's absolutely freezing.
Yeah, it's very cold up here.
Yeah, I'm shivering, and we were sweating the whole way up. Insert photos of me sweating. Bing. Guys, a dog climbed Mount Agung. Johnny.
He beat us.
The sun's come out. Yeah, that's all I have to say. It's good that we came to the first one because there's a bunch of people on the second summit, if you can tell. This is insane. Run, run! Yama. It's not funny. We're walking down now. I almost slipped like 3 times already. But apparently the trick is to run, but also not. It's faster if you run, but more dangerous. So I don't know which one I choose, you know. That's our guide, our boss. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's go. Oh, I need to go on the rock. Wrong way. You can't see how steep this is, but this is steep. 25 more minutes. My legs are dead. Look, my legs are shaking.
Yeah,
Well done.
you did it.
Yeah. Not bad.
Not bad. Oh, yeah, not bad. Hello, we finished. Holy S.
Hello.
Too much. It was good. But it was very tiring. Don't lie, it was shit. Yeah, nah, it was good. It was very good. Okay, we're going to bed now. Good night.